Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever wished you could bring the power of artificial intelligence, like GPT-3, directly into Google Sheets to supercharge your workflow, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to walk you through step by step how to set up and use an AI tool called Sheet GPT right inside your spreadsheets. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to tap into GPT-3's abilities to generate instant data right where you need it. So let's dive in. First things first, before we get started, make sure you have Sheet GPT installed as an add-on in your Google Sheets. Think of Sheet GPT like a little bridge between Google Sheets and the magic of GPT-3. Without it, we can't get our AI helper to respond right inside our cells. Now, if you're not sure whether you've got it already, no stress. You can always double-check and install it in just a moment. Go ahead and open up a Google Sheet and look up at the top of your screen for the menu bar. You'll want to find the Extensions tab. Click on that and then hover your mouse over Add-ons, then click Get Add-ons. This is basically like visiting the App Store, but for Google Sheets, where you'll be able to find a ton of new features. Now, once the add-ons marketplace opens up, there's a search bar up at the top. Type in Sheet GPT and hit enter. It should pop up as one of the top results, and from there just click install. If you're ever unsure whether it worked, Google Sheets will usually give you a little notification confirming the installation. This part might take a few moments, especially the first time, so don't worry if it seems like nothing's happening at first. After installation, we have to make sure Sheet GPT is enabled and ready to go. Again, click up on Extensions, and this time you should see Sheet GPT listed among your add-ons. If you don't see it right away, try refreshing your browser tab. Click on Sheet GPT, and you might get a little prompt to enable it or to sign in and give permissions. Just follow those steps. This is what lets the add-on do its job inside your sheets. Alright, with Sheet GPT all set up, let's actually use it. Click on any empty cell in your spreadsheet where you want to see the AI work its magic. For this example, I'll pick cell B2, but you can choose whichever one you like. Here comes the fun part. We're going to type in a special formula that asks GPT-3 for random data. Type in equals GPT, give me a random data, and hit enter. It's really that simple. What you're doing here is sending a prompt, basically a little instruction to GPT-3 asking it to generate random data directly in your sheet. In just a second or two, you should see some AI-generated text or numbers appear right in that cell. If nothing happens at first, double-check your internet connection and make sure you've enabled all the necessary permissions for Sheet GPT. And that's all there is to it. You can use this method to ask GPT-3 to write summaries, brainstorm ideas, generate example data sets, pretty much anything you'd normally do with AI, now right in your spreadsheet. It opens up a whole new world of possibilities for automating tasks and sparking creativity while working in Google Sheets. If this was helpful, give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or need more examples. Don't forget to subscribe for more smart tutorials just like this, and I'll see you in the next video.